guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you're a subscriber or you frequently visit my channel, thanks again for coming back. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got in my July BoxyCharm box and my Ipsy bag. So let's jump right in. Here's the box. This is what it looks like when you open it up. So it's got the little card in, it's got a couple coupons, July BoxyCharm road trip in, and then it gives you like the breakdown of all the products. So let's see. So the first thing is Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So here's the, oh shoot, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. So on the one side, it's got a little brush. And then in the other end, it's got like the cream product down inside the lid. It's kind of neat. It's interesting. Kind of like that. The brush is kind of thick though, so there's the line. I don't know. I mean, if you got thick brows, you don't need to get like a super thin line, but even still, like in the front when you do your little flicks, I don't know if that's gonna be too thick. I don't know. So anyway, that was product number one, and that retails for $26. Like that. The next one is Needles No More, No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. And I will say that like that is one thing I do enjoy in these boxes is the Dr. Brandt products that I've been getting. After your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under eye makeup. So I guess you can put it on day or night. This heat. Not gonna come out. Ooh, it sounds thick. It's got like a, ooh, it's sticky. Which I guess wouldn't be bad for under eye. I don't know. Doesn't smell bad. It initially had like a smell, but then it went away. It's thick. So that's good. And that retails for $42. Not bad. Being as the box costs $21. Let's see. And then Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wonder Beauty. Oh, it's a nice fluffy brush. It's neat. It's like a squishy, you know, like a tube to squeeze out. So that's kind of neat. And that retails for $24. It's award-winning black and intensely glowy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. Made in USA, blah, 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 6 months. Interesting. Can't wait to try that. And then Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, Desert Rose. Ooh. Don't want to drop the box. So it's by Note, and it's pretty. It's a pretty like peachy, matte peachy color. What did I say? Desert Rose? Yeah. I don't know. I want to say I'm not really seeing that as like a rosy color. It's more peachy to me. But whatevs. Anyway, that retails for $11.99. And then the big item, is the Crown Pro. This palette. And this is retails for $29.99, and this is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades. And I said it's $29.99. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna swatch this color on the end. It's definitely pretty. Here, let me zoom in. I feel like I was a bit far away. So here's the color right here. It's definitely got some shimmer. And then let's do, the shimmers are always fun, but let me do a matte. I'm gonna do this color here. That's definitely not a straight swatch. So that's the color. Yeah, I ran out of hand space. And I wasn't being smart and didn't put my stuff here to wipe everything off. Like my wet wipe. So anyway, that's not bad. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. It doesn't give any of the ingredients or anything like that. As I've said before, I try not to use anything that has parabens in it or anything funky. I'm sure that a lot of the stuff that's in, everybody's always gonna have something wrong with some ingredient in something. I don't know. Those are like the top ones that I try to stay away from are the parabens. I'm sure there's plenty of others that probably aren't the best, but I don't know. So anyway, I can't wait to use that and do an eye look with that. It's definitely pretty. So that wraps it up for the BoxyCharm box. Like I said, you get 5 full-size products, and that one is $21 a month. Okay, and let's move on to the Ipsy. I actually got to spend, what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's 5 products in the Ipsy bag, but I had a lot of points. So I got this in a previous bag, and I really liked it. So I went ahead and spent my points to get some more. It's the heavy cream, the Cake Heavy Cream Intensive Hand Repair Balm. And it smells like cake. So nice. So I got a bottle of that with my points, and then I got this H2O Beauty Aqua Defense Refining Matcha Detox Mask. Clinically proven to minimize the appearance of pores and leave skin feeling detoxified. So I don't remember what I spent. It was a couple hundred points on each one, so I had them, why not use them? Okay, so this is what the July bag looks like. Shimmery blue, like it's like that I don't know what you call that, like a rubbery nylon-y material. And then you get your little card inside, and then it explains some things, just a little bit of conversation. I don't know, you can also now shop on Ipsy. Yeah, so I talked about that. Oh, BoxyCharm also has charms that you earn and you can shop there, but Ipsy does offer different products for lower prices, stuff from past bags. Hence why I got the cream and stuff that I got in past bags. Anyway, first thing is this BKR Paris Water Balm Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. Came in this big fancy bag. It says it was made in France. Interesting. So here it is. Smells good. Can't wait to try that. Okay, and let's see. Oh, and the Ipsy bag doesn't tell you like what the products retail for. The next thing is Hempz Pure Herbal Extract, Sweet Pineapple, and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. Hydrate and refresh. 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Let's see. Ooh, it's pineapple-y. Let's see. I'll make sure I put it somewhere in case I have something to swatch, because one time I put stuff all over my hands and then I didn't want to touch any of the products. Ooh, it's very pineapple-esque. Don't bother me. I don't know. So that's that. And then Sundays, 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free nail polish number 45. It's a pretty blue. That's neat. I like nail polish. And then, what's this? Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. Sorry if I said that wrong. And it is like a gloss. Let's see. It's got a shimmer to it. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's sticky. Doesn't smell bad, but it's definitely sticky. It's got a nice sheen to it. I don't know about that one. Don't like sticky. I don't like putting stuff on my lips and it's like. And then last but not least, it is Nude Eyeshadow, Nude Beach Volume 3 by the Balm. Color Bodacious. Bodacious. That's cute. I think they're little singles. So that is my Ipsy bag for the month, and that is $11, $10, $10 or $11. I don't know. I do this every month when I talk to you guys about it, and then I'm like, dude, how much is it? It's $10 or $11, and like I said, the BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and you can do it month by month or set up to pay so many in advance or whatever. And I think if, like with the BoxyCharm, if you do like 3 months at a time, it makes the box a little bit cheaper. It's like 19 and some change instead of 21. So it just depends on if you're in it for the long haul. You want to pay that total amount up front. I don't know. I just do the monthly. You can cancel at any time. So if you're thinking about either one of those boxes or that box or that bag, I hope this helps you, and then you can see what kind of products you get. I personally enjoy it because I get to try different things, new products, new stuff that I might not typically buy. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, leave comments below. If you'd like to see more detail of the products, I mean, that's like a mixture of products, I don't know. Just any suggestions, anything that you guys want to see, just let me know and I'll try to make that happen. But otherwise, thanks for stopping by. Bye.